Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today. This is Papa Cleve with Custom Concealed. Boy, have I got a great build for you today. I have a DIY Wi-Fi garage door opener that's controlled by an application on your phone called eWeLink. It's also controlled by Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so you can actually use voice recognition and open and close your garage door, or you can use an app on your phone. This doesn't take that much to build, doesn't cost that much money, which is what I'm all about. Doing projects that don't cost a lot of money, because no one wants to spend a lot of money on things when they can use their money for other things. But this is an excellent project. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. It's just a black box, all the goodies on the inside. I'll go over to the workbench and show you all the components and how everything's put together. But this is an excellent box. Excellent. One thing you got to remember is it doesn't work with all garage door openers. However, to find out if it will work with your garage door opener, all you have to do is get a little jumper wire, go to your garage door opener, and at the terminals where your actual wall button is connected to, there'll be two screws, normally labeled like 1 and 2 or A and B. It's usually the first two screws. Jumper the wire across those two screws, and if it activates the garage door, then you know that this system will work with your garage door and you will be in business. I'm sorry to say Liam couldn't be with us today. He's normally here with me all the time. That's my grandson and my little buddy. We do everything together, and he's good at working in the shop, and anything needs to be done, he's the go-to guy. So maybe he'll be with us next time. Maybe I'll surprise you. Without further ado, we're going to take this over to the workbench so you can see what everything looks like. And like I said earlier, it doesn't cost that much money to build it, but once you get it together, you're going to really, really enjoy it. So let's get to it.
That's so cool!
On our next video, we're going to wire this thing up, get the program going in it with the eWeLink app, and we're going to test it out with Amazon Alexa and let you see how everything goes. But until next time, please follow us, subscribe, click those links. Bye. Where's Liam?